जय श्रीमन्नारायण. सुंदरकांड. Sitama asking Hanuma about Rama and asking like this, "O Hanuma, is Rama going to release me from all these troubles?" O Hanuma, from the childhood, Rama also did never go through this much of grief. Now he is drowned in so many troubles. Is he holding his courage, and is he sounding brave enough to face all this? O Hanuma, is Rama now and then getting to know about Kausalya, Sumitra, Bharata? O Hanuma, Bharata, do you think that he would definitely help Rama? When Rama is coming to take me from here, do you think Bharata would send his army along with Rama? O Hanuma, do you think that Sugriva would help Rama by sending entire of his army along with Rama to release me from all these troubles? Kachitcha Lakshmanaha Suraha Sumitra Anandavardhanaha. O Hanuma, do you think that Lakshmana would come along with Rama and kill all these demons? Do you think that soon Ravana is going to be killed? O Hanuma, usually gold is something everybody seeks. That kind of face, tasyananam padma samana gandhi, that kind of beautiful face is Ramachandra Swami's face. Everybody wants to be always enjoying by looking at him. That kind of Ramachandra, do you think his face is still beautiful and still glowing? O Hanuma, you know how great Rama is? To follow the righteousness, to observe the righteousness. When Rama is leaving Ayodhya along with me and leaving for this Vana, Vasam, I did not see any little bit of fear in him. I did not see any little bit of grief in him. To that extent, he is very strong. Is he still holding all of that strength and courage and braveness? O Hanuma, na chasya mata na pita cha nanyaha. Do you know the amount of love and affection that I show to Rama? I don't think Rama would get that much of love and affection even from his own mother or his own father. To that extent, I love Rama. O Hanuma, the bond between myself and Rama is very strong. And can you please tell me more about Rama? When Sitama asked like that, Hanuma saying to Sita Devi like this, Sirasyanjali madhaya vakyam uttaram abravit. Again Hanuma, while doing namaskaram to Sita Devi, saying like this, Na tvam ihastam janite ramah kamalalochane. O Sita Devi, Rama, he doesn't know that you are here. If he knows that you are here, he would definitely immediately start from there, and he would dry up the entire ocean with his arrows, and he would kill all these Rakshasas. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.